Commandment para 8. After the coldness of the winter months, the lovely days of April, May, and June call to us and ask us to go out and see the beautiful countryside. Full stop. During the long winter, the countryside has been resting and waiting for the warmth of summer to make it colorful once more. Full stop. Some people feel that the countryside is more beautiful in the cold days of winter than it is in the heat of summer. Full stop. When the leaves have fallen, the view is wider, details show up more clearly, and the rivers are full. Full stop. These are plain facts, of course, but the truth is that most of us like the countryside of the summer more than that of the winter. Full stop. We like the warmth more than the cold, and we like to see the fields full of the color that summer brings. Full stop. And so we go out. Full stop. We leave behind our TV and our books, and off we go. Full stop. We are light of heart and happy, and the open country is before us. Full stop. Is it possible in these days, however, to get right into the heart of the country, not only to see it, but to hear it and to understand it in the way that the writer of the story of my heart, life of the fields and the open air did? Question mark. It does not seem very likely that it is possible because there are so many people in so many motor cars, all trying to find the happiness of the countryside at the same time. Full stop. It is plain enough that if masses of people all go to the same place at the same time to find the peaceful life of the country, they will not find it. Full stop. The ease with which it is now possible to reach the country places has made them less worth reaching. Full stop. There is, I think, nothing that we can do about it. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretarial Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shodra.